What sound does a monkey make?
Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
Wow, you look like a monkey when you do that. Again. Again.
A sheep.
What sound does a monkey make?
The sheep.
What sound does a sheep make?
Bah.
A cow?
Cow. More. More. Pig.
A duck? What sound does a duck make?
Fish. Pig. Pig.
What sound does a pig make?
Oink.
Oink oink. You're good at that.
The horsey.
What sound does a horsey make?
Bah.
That sounds like a sheep. Nay.
Duck.
That was very good.
Ducky.
What sound does a duck make?
Quack, quack, quack.
And a monkey?
No.
What sound does a monkey make?
No.
Oh.
Okay.
How about a rooster? That sounds like a siren. What sound does an owl make?
Quack, quack, quack.
That's a duck. An owl goes, ooh.
Ooh.
That's right. You say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. See you later. Bye.
Sweet dreams.
We're grace. We tie. We're grace. We will.